All right. Yeah, there we are. There we are. There we are. How are you guys doing? It's a new week. Already got a weekly outlook done, done and ready. So I hope you guys are doing amazing. Let me see in the chat. I see Lorian already. Archie, Judy. Yeah, many things to discuss. So very excited to see if everything is ready. Amazing. Okay, so yeah, let me know, guys, where you guys are looking at today. Like I already mentioned during the weekly outlook a few minutes ago, that I'm looking at gold today and also at Nasdaq. I'm curious what we will do right now. So let's see if we can respect this breaker. I don't think we will. That means lower prices. That would give a nice bias for today. Like we respect this break or not, and otherwise we can use this inversion value, the best price range, to go short. Let's see. Let's see. Let me see who is here. Dennis, the Blue, Brian. Nice guys. Nice. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So yeah, I think it's a waiting game today. Let me see on golds. Yeah. I think we could break down. We could take out Friday, Sunday high first. Let's see, let's see. And let's like UK 100 has gone on a rampage. It's insane. It's insane. So yeah, we just need to wait until the open. So very curious, like how was your weekend, guys? Did you do something nice? Did you spend time with your family? Did you spend time on the charts, backtesting, studying? Like what did you do? Look at the usual gold and Nasdaq. Yeah, well, nice. Then we're looking together today. What do you think, Judy, on gold and Nasdaq today? I think gold's going to be a very interesting one. What also was nice was the big drop of euro US dollar during London. Yeah, many traders tried to long somewhere here. I saw many long trades on my feed today. Perhaps they were going towards the equal highs, but they came home empty-handed. So ES already tapped daily CB. Interesting, interesting. And do I do a poll today? Yes, 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 but not now. We need to wait a little more, little more. Let's see. Let's wait the open. I took a 1 minute short on your UCJPY from the 1 hour value gap. Back this on work this weekend. Nice, nice, nice. Gold lower, NQ up first. Nice. I like that. You took a trade, use JP1 1 minute. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, the news is gonna be very interesting this weekend. Or this weekend, this week. $830 high of the day. We made ST the high, so it could be, could be. I'm gonna be more patient this week because of the news. So less executions. I'm eager to take a short on gold, to be honest, very soon. So taking out a old high would be nice. Good idea. We trade into this gap and trade it higher. So potentially a short will wait a little longer. I remember this happening to me exactly a few Mondays ago. Where was that? Where I was like shorting on a Monday and I got burned like hard before the real move. Well, I'm gonna find it. Hey AD, welcome back. Welcome back. Like, Nicholas is here. Like, the usual suspects are present. Nice, nice. So I mentioned this before. I think it's for expectations very wise to say this could be a no trade Monday for me. Little scalp and NQ maybe, but otherwise just demo trading. In the meantime, I'm eating my second dinner. Did a big workout, and I was like, yeah, let's order a second dinner. So I'll eat at the same time. I had like a really nice Chinese kind of wok. How do you say that? Like meat, like steak with rice. Like it's amazing. And then with little beans, and now second dinner with more steak, more steak and fruit. So yeah, it just arrived at streamer. So I'm a happy man. I'm sure. Yes, nice, Andrew. Nice. I think that's a good one. I was backtesting yesterday, started taking losses one after, got frustrated, started making bad decisions. Yeah, like backtesting can feel that way, and it's pretty funny that you bring it up. Like when you're backtesting, your goal is of course to improve, but like being backtesting and you losing all your trades can trigger the same emotion as you losing at the real charts, and just you just dislike and get frustrated while just backtesting. It's really funny. Funny how the human brain works. And we're looking, of course, for gold short. But if you want to short a metal, I would definitely look for shorting silver as well. On daily CB here. Just wait for that displacement lower. I think you can get a very nice short this week. And perhaps sooner than we think. Certain pairs you're looking at, or perhaps some concepts you want to discuss. There's some time to kill, so just shoot. Ender, I agree. Ender says I'm taking it easy this week. So many CPI releases and NFP. Yeah, it's honestly insane what we have this week. But now with no news before that, like it's a miracle that I'm even streaming because it doesn't make sense to chase many trades right now. Some I got scared in taking trades when I see my setup. If I didn't take the trade, it then plan out as a plan. How can I tackle it? Um, well, if you get scared when you see your setup, do you have enough data that backs up your trade plan or your setup? Because if you've seen your setup panning out like hundreds of times, you know when it's there, and you also know that it can fail. So I would say for starters for this week, Danny, when you take a trade, stop loss, take profit, nothing in between, and just shoot and be okay to lose. And if you not want to lose, you need to dial down your risk. You're probably risking too much. Bitcoin long also nice. Yeah, it was or is bumping. Yeah, 69K, or it hit 70. Nice. Yeah, cool. If this already was the SMT play for the indices, what I don't believe, we have easy shorts coming up later this week. I want to buy a challenge. Which platform is the best? I would say FTMO. And check out Forex. No, not Forex. Prop4match.com. But I will always say FTMO. I think they're the best. Alpha Capital also good. There are many good ones. Just check Prop4match. FTMO swing is good. The regular FTMO is also good. That's up to your trading style. I think I should be doing 1-2R. Okay, yeah. If that's your trade setup, shoot. Just collect data. And if your data collects only trading losses while you execute on your trade, then you need to adjust your trading style. But you can only do that after weeks of data. Thoughts on FOMC? Yeah, I think we will not not change any rates this session. But I think they will announce that they're probably going to cut rates in September. That's my thoughts on FOMC. Yo, David, welcome back. I can't wait for GBP rates. That needs lower mortgage payments. Yeah, I think they will cut rates at GBP. Like I think one of my favorite looks for this week, and it's kind of crazy, but it's Euro GBP. I think this can be low of the week, what we are printing right now. And then with GBP cutting rates, this pair will move up like crazy, catching the high. I honestly think we can see very soon higher prices. Yeah, David. Yeah, we have an SMT in the indices highs, and it's also the SMT not only the highs but also the daily CB. He has touched it. So for the session, could be a really easy session if it happens. Like it's just two for value gaps, order block. Like this could actually be the trade of today. Well, let's target these ugly ass lows. Those are all ugly lows. Wow. Yeah. Well, shoot for 1 to 2. I think this can be a pretty decent setup. Would have to open in 5 minutes. Personally, I don't think the Bank of England will cut rates this time. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I think it actually can be a very nice trade. But let's see if that idea for NQ is going to work out. I think everyone wants lower rates. Lower rates is higher stock markets. Lower rates is easier money. Lower rates is your mortgage going down, so less costs. Like lower rates are nice for everybody, but it invites inflation, and it's just a ongoing cycle between inflation, money printing, high and low rates. I think this year with the U.S. elections, for example, Trump and all that soap what's going on in the U.S. is going to be incredible for our trading. It's gonna be like madness. And perhaps you already seen this post I posted in this Skool group before stream. Another leak about one of the modules is about journaling. Few who are able to get in, going to learn how to consistently journal like a pro without spending too much time on it. Like I think nobody likes journaling, so I got a nice system where you don't need to spend too much time on it, but you do it. And I think that's the best of both worlds because then you have actually data you collect to improve your trading. That's the whole point of journaling. Important dates for claiming the spot is only for the people who are on the waiting list. This Thursday, August 1st, people on the waiting list are able to claim their spot. Specific time will be revealed later. On the waiting list, we will receive an email tomorrow, Tuesday, with more details about Thursday and also about next Monday, because then the actual teachings will start. So it's very soon and it's going to be very fast. So very excited. The countdown has begun. Limited spots available. Not everyone's going to make it. So if you're serious about joining, make sure you are ready this Thursday. So on stream and also streams and in the Skool group Telegram, I'll update everybody about what's going on. So but the first emails are going out tomorrow. GU could be interesting. Yeah, definitely. I think USD pairs are looking good, but not yet. Example here. I want to see Euro not going lower yet. I want to see some retracement, then take out all liquidity in one go. GU the same. GU's already at the 4-hour CB. I think you could get some trades, but be humble in this week, guys. It's not worth it to spend all your capital in these kind of weeks. It's also nice for tomorrow. What is gold up to? Still going higher. Your GP is still going lower. All right, we're open. Both missed their respective fair value gaps. They touched the order block and went away. Very interesting. Well, that we're going for these lows were very obvious. A long from the daily fair value gap. I mean, this one. Could be. I'm not sure about DXY yet. Yeah, let's see what we do here. Like that's the thing. We're Monday in a with no news Monday in a high volatile week. So just chilling. Just chilling. I missed Acuture from a few points. Yeah, that sucks. That sucks. But it could give you another entry. Like both the highs here, but also the lows here are so suspect. Like why did we stop here? Just above London S&T here, the lows. So now S&T the high and the low. Based on what we're seeing now, this could be a smart money reversal to the daily BSC. Keep that in mind. If now close above here. Aggressive sells, aggressive buys. Let's see what we do here with this candle. London low of New York high? 830 high is the question. Don't trust this wick. I can understand. Well, big fight going on here. Look at the wicks. Keep in mind that there's an S&T at this low. It's a yes. I'm probably going to engage later. This looks like a big rejection that we're going lower. You never know. You never know. Like here, the candles are telling lower. You go, the price action for me is kind of in the middle. I see nothing there. And that's fine. And then you just sit on your hands and you don't trade. And I agree with that. So I'm trading now as well. And that's a nice feeling. Like I stream with you guys here every day. But that could like invite the idea that you should press your button every day. That's not true. Like I have many days that I don't trade. So my prediction for this day is actually going to be quite a short stream where we'll just look at how 10 a.m. opens and we don't actually going to see some cool stuff. And then we just say, hey, have a nice rest of your Monday and we're going to back at Jolts. Because all the plays are going to be later in the week. Look at this. My eyes bleed. Look at this. This is your accumulation from an AMD. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So look at the difference. Let's do 50 minutes. I think you see it better there. Look at the S&T. I think the daily busy is like the 830-ish high is on the cards. 19361. Here, this is your unicorn. Breaker. I'm just going to fake trade this. So guys, I'm going to take an entry when price comes now back to this entry point. I'm not going to take it because I'm not going to trade today. But again, if this was here, I would take the trade. If it creates a value gap, of course. So right here then. So 1, 2, 2. I'm right here. Target is the high. Like this. Well, See if we can get an entry. Yeah, we connect with this down close candle here already. So I don't think it could be that I cannot get an entry here. Again, guys, I'm not taking this as any challenge or anything. It's just demo, just fake. No show offs when it's take profit. No crying when it's stop loss. Like it's just chilling. It's just nice and no news Monday, just chilling. Just reading price together with you guys. So why I thought we could already take it here has to do with the top of this candle. See, it connects here already at this value gap. So the order block starts textbook top of the wick. Even when you prefer the body overlapping, we had another value gap right here connecting with the wick. So that means next time you can choose to then place your trade like this. Yes, you have a little less RR, but you are in the trade. So aggressive sells, aggressive buys for value gap, order block, clear draw liquidity. This is a nice trade idea. Don't care about the outcome, but it's a nice trade idea. My TP is just the higher on this trade idea. ES doesn't want to go. Like, look at this. ES just chills there. Shortish on the top of the value gap. Nice. Nice. Yeah, strange enough, I keep thinking of this long idea. I just cannot unthink it. No, I'm joking. I just take this setup every day. So it's failure swings, aggressive sells, aggressive buys, or failure gap, break order block, boom. And I think we can get a lower week, and I don't think the low of the week is good. Or I think we're getting a down week this week, and I don't think the high of the week is going to be 8:30 on the Monday. I just don't believe that. That's the reason for my higher buys right now. This is an example of the opening AMD. So before the open, we have accumulation. Then 9:30 manipulates, aggressive sells, aggressive buys. And then after that, you see distribution till at least 10 a.m. Closing out, distributing the last piece of the 4-hour candle. I discussed in one of the mentorship videos about a daily bias. This is an exact replica of one of the daily bias videos. But then that example was short and this is long. There you go. That's TP. And again, guys, no showing off, no nothing. This is just paper trading, demo trading, tape reading together. But I want you to see this framework. So why did I take it? Why I thought it was good. S&T at the lows, aggressive sells, aggressive buys, and also an AMD with clear drawn liquidity. I hope that makes sense. But it was nice. So this is out of the way. And now we can just... this is just something for your journal. So here it goes. It's something I'm going to do with the mentorship as well every day. We expect a lower weekly candle. AMD on weekly bearish is Monday long bias by definition. You want a higher low to you want a high of the week being set on Monday or Tuesday. Pre-displacement high was 837 or something. What was it? 838. Not a time for a high of the week. It's most of the time 9:30, between 9:30 and 11-ish. But not 8:30 on a Monday. Definitely not. That's rare. That's a rare Pokemon, guys. That's a rare Pokemon. Okay, so then this is your higher time frame bias. Maybe lower time frame. We had an SMR, smart reversal, aggressive sells, aggressive buys. We had an S&T at the lows. We had value gap plus order block. We had clear drawn liquidity, daily SIBI plus 838 high. Seven confluences. Does not make this a 100% win rate model, but 7 confluences will do the job very often. And also, yeah, Kiko also breaker, yeah. Order book breaker, provide gap. So if you want to scalp the open, this should be higher time for lower time frame. Do you guys like this kind of analysis? Like, of course, I break down the AMD and stuff, but like, what I think it's important that you know as well what's going on in my mind. Like, I don't think only, oh nice, I see a swing high or I see an order book and now I take a trade. No, there's a whole higher time frame story playing in my head while I make that idea. So higher time frame, we did that at the weekly outlook. I mentioned, I think we can be bearish this week based off of the order book here, or the daily CP in general. So I want lower prices. That means higher on Monday. And again, AMD is, I have a long bias in general. I want to long. Pre-displacement was not a nice time. And now lower time frame, we have that whole model we trade every day. Now we'll see what we do. Nice, amazing, Matthew. Nice. Would it make sense to look for shorts now? We can play the same kind of analysis. It depends. And it depends on a few factors. And the most important factor is this guy. I don't think we are down for shorts yet. No. And again, why I think that? That has to do with what's coming up this week. Like, maybe short term, we could go for the 930 low. But do you really think that Jolt's, FOMC, and NFP are not going to give a little tip into the daily CB this week? And that will mean automatically that your stop from today is going to be ran. So now I wouldn't look for shorts right now. No. But that's, yeah. And again, that's my plan. If you say, hey, I see X, Y, and Z according to my trade plan, that's a clear short, and I'm going right now, go for it and make the most money you ever made. And I'm very happy for you when it does. Okay, amazing, guys, that you like it. You don't understand 3. Did I already remove it? Okay, hold on. Okay. Pre-displacement high was... Okay. Well, what you see over time when you're going to try... Not of course, try to catch highs and lows or bottom and tops, but you will see that the time of highs and lows of the weeks are further in the session. That counts for both London, New York AM, but also New York PM for indices. And I say that it's all probabilities. So it's not 100% that a 838 cannot be a high low of the week, but it's less probable. I don't trust just like I don't trust, for example, on gold, I mentioned it before, I don't trust a Sunday high of the week. That's just, I get the chills from my Sunday high of the week. I just cannot sleep off that, like here. This high, I don't like. But the thing is, it made that high already in a very nice area. What was it, like, I think... Yeah, 4-hour value gap, I think. Yeah, 4-hour value gap. Very nice. But again, I don't trust it. And that's just... I think time is more important than price. And I need to say that, otherwise Ice-T is coming to visit me here in Vietnam. Try to focus on time. So the 5-minute doesn't look very nice. It's also not... Yeah. Oh yeah, Mata, thanks for reminding me of you. That was the question you asked during the weekly outlook. So you mentioned you're currently in a 6 losing streak. 3 times price came to a 2R and returned to your stop loss. Do you have any advice for streaks like this? What does your trade plan says about the amount of R you were aiming for? Is it like a flexible or fixed R? Like fixed R is like you want 2R or 3R or 4R. And flexible is just like, okay, I'm going to see which are my nearest PD rays, and I'm aiming for around 1 to 2, 1 to 3, but I'm flexible on that just based on the highs and lows and the fair value gaps you see. That's one thing. So if it's more than 2R and it just came back to your stop loss, I would say that's part of your fixed QR. Okay, amazing. So then you can ask yourself, okay, when I backtest this model, the model you're using, does it give you the 3Rs consistently? And on top of that, think about on what time frame you're executing. So when I am in a 6 losing streak, and yes, I have those streaks, what I do, first thing, I go to trading view, and this is what I do. Buy 1 minute and buy 5 minutes. I only am allowed to look at the 50 minute. Well, if I look here at 50 minutes, there's nothing for me to see. Where I go here, nothing for me to see. I go to gold. Ooh, my eyes bleed. No trades. And what it does, it increases the quality of your trades. You get less setups, but I have rather, after a 6 losing streak, just a week where I take 2 or 3 winning trades, where I know it was very nice and clean. And win or loss doesn't matter, but your setup is really clean. Then stay at the 1 minute, 5 minute, and just racking up this loss again and again. Not sure what we do at a higher time frame. So yeah, I think I gave you like 3 or 4 different things you could focus on. Start with one, and you see what works best. If time permits, can we review what happened last NFP and FOMC? On what pair, CM? DXY? Well, the July NFP was, I think it was the 5th, if I remember correctly. I think the June NFP was very nice. Sweep liquidity displacement, CPI retracement, and higher. DXY is on a rampage. Nice. That will mean that Euro is going to sweep the weekly value gap already. Yeah. Okay, so you could look for a potential Skool model from the weekly value gap. It means when it reaches there, and it's already later in the session, we were entering 10 a.m. of course. Let's see. Yeah, here's your first value gap. So this could be a trade idea. So what you do, wait for price to go lower, lower, lower. You wait for the smart money reversal, and somewhere in this area, you're going to put on your long, aiming for a 1 to 2, 1 to 3. This is a very nice idea for Euro, and why it's nice. You are basically just trading the retracement, because before we reach this area, we probably will go back to this value gap and this order block right here, at least. So I think this is a high probability Skool model coming up. Mata says I took 4 A setups and 2 B setups. Okay, that's nice that you already know that you took some B setups. That's very nice. Probably the B setups came after you lost a few A setups. That's a very logical pattern of action. Yeah, it can also, yeah, I don't like to put it on bad luck, but yeah, this is your edge. And if you know, okay, this is my edge and this is how it works, if you just then get that six losses, yeah, that's part of the game. And the amount, the quality of you as a trader determines how many accounts you blew in these 6 losses. Like, did you blow the whole account, or are you now in just drawdown 1 account? Like, the less the drawdown in your losing streak, the better you are as a trader. Nasdaq, okay. Well, let me check Forex Factory. Hold on. NFP. The last NFP, yeah, it was July 5th. Last NFP was not that big, I guess. I remember. Like, I was like, oh, well. It was here. Just nothing. Yeah, of course, nice little push of... oh, wait, it's not a good pair. Hold on. July 5th. Oh, yeah, same. Yeah, just a continuation. There was nothing major here going on. And that indicates, like I said so many times, we're going lower in July. And like when this is your July, so you have your monthly open, we go lower, but then we just go up only. You know, okay, we're probably going to set a high of the month somewhere after this is down, after this is done. And then after Thursday here, you knew, okay, it's time. I think the June was very nice right here. So we took liquidity on Friday. Then we are just only up. Remember that game from the daily buys trilogy where you just take, for example, here, it's a high and low of a day. And just going to look for, okay, what did we do? And based on that, we predict the next candle. So high and low of this day. Next day, we take out the low, but we fail to displace lower. The candle closes above it. That means the next candle, we are anticipating bullish prices to take at least this high. So doing that, next day, we take out. And we keep doing it until we go higher, higher, for value gap, order block, higher, higher. And we can do exactly the same right here. We're just going to see what we do here. When we close here, when we close today above this high, then I'm anticipating the next day, so tomorrow, to also take today's high. Doesn't need to displace, but at least take it high. So you know, I get so many questions about like, oh yeah, when is a liquidity pool valid, or where do you seek liquidity? Well, on a daily, I always use this model, like using the previous day highs and lows to just see how did we displace over it. And weirdly enough, we're going to the daily CP. Probably random. Xail, can you make a video about internal to external? Oh, my heart breaks. Oh, I did. I did. It's already in the mentorship. But I think it wasn't good enough because otherwise you would have seen it. No, let me check for you. It is episode content playlist 2024 mentorship videos. It is episode 17. Daily buys part 3, internal and external range liquidity. I will put it here in the chat so you have it. And be amazing to not ask it again. Thank you, Martin. Appreciate it. All right. Yeah. So 10 a.m. has started. Let's look at the 4-hour candle. Well, I really like this. I mentioned it before. We just perfectly respected the order book here, or another order book, the value gap here, to go higher. So my prediction for the candle is higher, 10 a.m. And it's nice when your bias is higher. If we're now going lower. Oh, where are we? Open. There we go. But let's see. Like, I'm not going to execute anymore today. I'm just going to chill. So probably, and I still need to have, I need to finalize my dinner. It's already, what is it? 9 p.m. here. But second dinner is important, guys. I had 2 workouts today. So 2 workouts means 2 dinners. Xel, I learned the London and New York kill zone is just perfect. Amazing, Xel. That's cool. Hey, the other question that's out of subject with Apex, when you change your payment method to international, how long did it take them to send you the invitation? Ooh, that's a good question. Hold on. I can check my email, but I'm not sure. It was a long time ago. Apex. I got so many emails from Apex. Hold on. Maybe I can just search on Apex payments. Oh no, I got that email. No, okay, Apex payment. You get an email for every withdrawal, every. Oh, okay. Uh, no, I cannot find it, but I think it wasn't long. But what I like to do, I think Apex is a nice customer support. So just send them an email or like I think they call it a ticket and say, "Yo, I submitted it this day. Can you please check it?" And then just fix it for you. Gold on day looks like it could close above. Let me see gold. Yeah, like based on how gold closes today, I have my bias for tomorrow. If you close lower than your value gap, I'm definitely going to play shorts tomorrow, like very aggressively. So you guys know it already. And then you see a cryptic message in the Telegram. Oh, look at gold. What are we going to do? And then you know, okay, full leverage short. No, no, I'm joking. But yeah, like usually when we see DXY going up like this, gold follows to the downside, and we didn't do that. I think that's interesting. Where am I from? I'm from the Netherlands, but I live in Vietnam. Every hobbit knows that a second dinner is key. I need to rewatch those videos or the movies you get out. I'm so caught up in everything for the mentorship, and I need to watch that. That's so cool. That's so save room for dessert. Yeah, yeah. It's like what I still have is I just finished my meat, and what I still have is like a big smoothie bowl and also some fruit. So it's gotta be nice, a nice little. You can call it dessert, second dinner dessert kind of stuff. Oh, amazing, Ambry. That's amazing. That's on your 250K, right? What was the 6K? That's incredible. That's incredible. Don't forget to share your payout and everything in the school group under TP Titans. Like that's so cool. That's a nice flex. I think an Apex payout is one of the most difficult things you can get because of every rule, all the rules they have. So I have a few of those as well, but they were hard fought. So cool. Oh yeah, 250K. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's cool. So that's like what it's 6K, right? Yeah, that's nice. Are you also in the waiting list for the mentorship? Because I'm going over the mentorship exactly on how to scale that. So it will be cool. Be cool. I started at the end of last week. I started with my funded futures. Um, yeah, yeah. The threshold, the profit threshold is that right? But you like how much can you withdraw? Or was it 3K? What you can withdraw? Like they have withdrawal thresholds as well. I think it was 3K for per payout, but I forgot. But yeah, just oh yeah, 3K. That's amazing. 3K payout. That's nice. Like, do you know how many new Apex chains you can buy from that? Oh, that's such insane. That's so insane. And it's very nice because you have that threshold from 6600. You get -3, so you now have again 3600 already in profit to play with, and you can just do it again. Like you only need a few K on 10 days, so that means you can play with really low risk and just slowly, like a little snail, like slow and steady, grind to that second and third payout. And after the third payout, it's unlimited. Looks like we're displacing lower on Nasdaq. Honestly, guys, I will just leave it alone for now. Based on that, you can play the fair value gap lower here towards the equal lows, and then just play yourself a nice seek and destroy. I'm going to pay the application fee for Britain citizenship. Oh, nice, nice. Congrats. That is such a nice milestone. That you can let your trading payouts pay for such an important things. Like for example, I moved to Vietnam recently, and like a few trades paid for like 3 or 4 months of living here, and that's such an incredible feeling. Um, and it don't need to be big payouts, right? Few K payouts can already be very decent to build from. That's what many people forget. Like you don't need the 20, 30K payouts. Just stack those 2, 3, 4K payouts and go. All right. So yeah, like gold, what I hoped to see didn't happen. So I'm gonna wait for tomorrow. DXY is still rampaging up. Euro US dollar. Keep in mind if you are still on the charts. This could be a nice play. Come up very soon. Um, I think this. I think we're going for Monday high later this week. Look at how the candles are. It's about to close. So yeah, I'm very confident. This 50 points or something. Yeah. You go 100. Hoping to see something tomorrow in this value gap. I hope to see a nice deep retracement. Would be very nice to go higher from. I want to be in this move long. I think we'll go for all time high very soon. But UK 100 is also influenced by Thursday's GBP rates, so of course not too aggressive. And yeah, let's see what Bitcoin touched the 70K. Bitcoin is such a meme sometimes. Did it? It was exactly 70K, and then and then just it went lower again. I love that. I love that. It's so sensitive for psychological price movements. It's very funny. All you need is patience and system, and when you are wrong, don't overdo, accept and move on. Yes, they are the things that basic teaching. Amazing, amazing, Ambry. Appreciate the kind words. Eurocat. Well, we have an S&T at the highs, GCAT and Eurocat. But I don't think we are done with the upside, and that has to do with how the Canadian dollar still needs to, like the Canadian dollar itself, still needs to go lower. That means higher crosses. So I hope to see some higher price very soon, and we'll see later for what. Right, and yeah, aside from that, I have many much more to say. So Let me know if there's any questions. And otherwise, I will finish up the stream. And then we continue tomorrow, 9 a.m. EST. So again, for the people who are on a waiting list, tomorrow you get an email. When the email is out, I will send a confirmation as well. It's kind of a new email address. It's hello@deontrades.com. So when it's a new email address, it could be in your spam box, but just yeah, you'll find it. You'll find it. All right, I don't see any final questions, so I hope you had an amazing session. Not too much. It's No News Monday. Coming few days are going to be very exciting, and yeah, we'll be here covering everything. Most importantly, FOMC is the first big one of the big three, of course. NFP Friday, but the first stop is going to be Wednesday. Jolts is also not the tiny ones. Jolts can also move the market quite nicely. So I'm very excited, especially because DXY moved so much and then no news Monday. Something we should keep in mind rest of the week. Grind at $300 and go to chill with a cold beer in the park. Amazing armor. I think that's a very nice closure for the stream. I'm going to enjoy my final hours. I'm going to have my smoothie bowl, watch a nice series or something. Probably just The Office, laughing at Michael's call, and then I'll wind down and see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. EST. Have a great rest of your Monday, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.